Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clear your Cash App data cache on your iPhone. So unlike the other videos, we're not going to be using Cash App today. We're not going to be opening Cash App today, but we're actually going to be opening up settings. So once you open up settings, you'll be in it. You're going to want to scroll up to access the search bar. Once you access the search bar, you want to click it and search up storage. Once you search up storage, click the tab that just says Storage General. And once you click that, you want to scroll down until you see Cash App. Cash App's right there. Click on Cash App. And because on iPhone you can't clear cache data unless you delete the app or you just remove the data in general, the best way to clear up storage, if that's what you're trying to do, would be to offload the app on your iPhone. So you would click offload. Offloading Cash App will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So you'll be deleting Cash App but still keeping the documents and data. So you'd want to offload it, and then that's the best way to free up storage or clearing cache data on Cash App.